Are you ready for some more synonyms? Remember, synonyms are words that mean about the same as each other. Okay, we're going to start out with some flashcards. Oh, well,
Boy.
actually, we better start out with me sharing my screen. That is the first step. Okay. All right. Start out with some flashcards.
Make.
Make. Now you can quickly think to yourself, what's a word that means almost like make? I'm not probably going to give you a lot of time. We're just going to go through and introduce all of these synonym pairs. Okay, so don't feel bad if you can't come up with the answer right away. So make, and the synonym for that
Create.
is create. Excuse me. All righty.
Enjoy.
We've had this in some of our synonym tins.
Like.
Okay, so you might have known that one.
Friend.
I think we've had this one.
Pal. Street.
You might know this.
Road. Lid. Cap.
Okay, the lid of a pen, the cap of a pen.
Little. Small.
Or tiny.
Glad. Happy. Big. Large.
Or maybe gigantic, enormous, gargantuan.
Shut.
Also humongous on the large ones. Okay, shut.
Close. Quick. Fast.
I did that pretty fast, didn't I?
Noisy. Loud. Similar.
Similar.
Alike.
Similar, alike, the same.
Sick. Ill.
Good.
Start. Begin. Keep.
If you keep something, you
Save.
save it.
Mad. Angry. Leap. Jump.
Or maybe hop.
Talk. Speak.
Speak.
Kind.
Kind.
Nice.
Nice, okay.
Bucket. Pail. Boy. Male. Girl. Female.
Female.
Jog. Run. Watch.
If you watch something, you
See.
see it with your eyes.
Plate. Dish.
Okay.
Neat. Tidy.
Tidy. Or maybe clean.
Harm. Hurt.
If you harm someone, you hurt them.
End. Finish.
Okay. So in a race, when you get to the end, it is the finish line. Okay.
Cry. Sob.
That's sobbing. Sobbing is kind of loud crying.
Tired. Sleepy. Help.
If you help someone,
Assist.
you assist them or you aid them.
Yell. Shout. Child. Kid.
Kid.
House. Home. Paste. Glue.
Okay.
Choose.
You choose something, you pick it or you select it.
Hope. Wish.
If you make a wish, you're hoping to get it.
Make. Create.
And we're back to the beginning. Okay, so now, and sometime I could shuffle them and see if you could tell me, but right now we're going to go back and we're going to do sentences where we're going to put them in the sentences.
The little mouse is happy.
Okay, so your choices are big, small, large. We want a word that means the same as little. Okay, I'm giving you time to say it. Can't hear you, of course, but see what you would think, and then I'll put it in. Okay, the
Small. The small mouse is happy. Great job. I am happy that my mom is home.
Okay, our choices are glad. I wonder if they'll read them if I touch them.
Glad.
Oh, yeah.
Angry. Sad.
Okay, makes my job easy. Okay, so which one does happy mean? Glad, angry, or sad?
Glad. I am glad that my mom is home.
And the sentence
Awesome.
means the same.
We made a big cake for Andy. Small. Large. Little. Large. We made a large cake for Andy. Wonderful. The teacher asked me to close the door. Shut. Open. Push. Shut. The teacher asked me to shut the door. Fantastic. The train is fast. Quick. Slow. Heavy. Quick. The train is quick.
Another word could be speedy.
Fabulous. The drum is loud. Noisy. Quiet. Light. Noisy. The drum is noisy. Fantastic. These two shirts are similar. Alike. Bigger. Different.
Okay, you might look at them and think, well, they're different colors, so it must be different. But they're still
Alike.
similar, which means alike.
These two shirts are alike.
Because they have
Wonderful.
the same style.
David was sick for 2 days. Well, ill, tired, ill. David was ill for 2 days.
Poor
Wonderful.
David. Poor David.
Our class will start today. Finish, end, begin.
Okay, we need something that means the same as start. And don't get confused and think of the opposite or an antonym. We want synonyms the same.
Begin. Our class will begin today.
So it means the same thing.
You got it. I keep my money in a jar.
Okay, I keep it. Is it put?
Put. Spend. Save.
If you keep it,
Save.
you're going to save it.
I save my money in a jar. Fabulous. David is mad at Andy. Happy. Nice. Angry.
Mad. Which one means mad?
Angry. David is angry at Andy. Fabulous. The frog can leap over the rock.
Okay, we need something that means leap. Is it
Jump. Run. Walk.
okay?
Jump. The frog can jump over the rock. Great job. The teacher wants to talk to you. See. Speak. Yell.
Okay, we need a word that means the same as talk.
Speak. The teacher wants to speak to you. Great job. My grandma is very nice to me.
Okay, before we do this, I want you to see if you've noticed that lady that's reading this for us. She has said fabulous, fantastic, great. I can't remember what other ones. And did you know that all those words are synonyms? They mean about the same as each other, which means we're doing a terrific job, a marvelous job. There's a lot of synonyms there, so kind of keep your ears open for what she says when we get these right. She's a very kind lady. She's being very nice to us. Okay, here we go. It says, my grandma, let's see if,
Grandma.
okay. My grandma is very nice to me. Is that the same as
bad, mean, kind?
I was just talking about that lady and I said she was being very kind to us.
Kind.
She's nice.
My
Okay.
grandma is very kind to me. You got it. We took our bucket and shovel to the beach.
Okay, we're looking for this something that means the same as bucket.
Pail, toys, ball.
Okay.
Pail. We took our pail and shovel to the beach. Awesome. He is a boy.
Okay.
Male, girl, female.
Which one was a synonym for boy?
Male.
Well,
He is a male. Well done.
well done.
My sister is a girl. Boy, female, male,
And which one was the same as girl?
female. My sister is a female. Fantastic. I jog every day. Walk, run, sleep. Run, run. I run every day.
Okay, a jog
You
is
got
maybe
it.
slower than a run.
We
run,
went
but-
to see a movie last weekend.
Okay, so we're looking for a synonym for see. And it's got to fit in here too. Okay.
Sit, watch, hear.
Okay, we went to, here we go.
Watch. We went to watch a movie last weekend. Wonderful.
Wonderful.
The food is on a plate.
Okay, we need something that means the same as plate. We have
Cup, dish, table, dish. The food is on a dish. Well done.
well done.
My room is neat, tidy, small, messy.
Neat.
Tidy. My room is tidy. Well done.
Well done again.
A hammer can harm a finger.
Can harm it. So we need a word that means the same as harm.
Safe, good, hurt.
A hammer can safe a finger. A hammer can good a finger. A hammer can
Hurt.
a finger.
A hammer can hurt a finger. Great job.
Great.
The runners race to the end. Begin, finish, start.
Okay. And I think I even mentioned this as an example when we did this flashcard.
Finish.
Finish.
The runners race to the finish.
The end of the race is
Great job.
the finish line.
I cry when I am sad.
Oh my.
Sob, happy, smile. Sob. I sob when I am sad.
Yeah. Sobbing
Fabulous.
is fabulous.
I go to bed when I feel tired. Sleepy, lonely, sad.
I go to sleep when I feel tired. So you would be
Sleepy.
feeling sleepy.
I go to bed when I feel sleepy. Well done. I help my mom clean the house.
Okay, we need something that means the same as help. Our choices are
Want, ask, assist. Assist. I assist my mom clean the house.
and they made
well
a mistake.
done.
Should have said
I
assist
yell
my-
loudly.
Okay, hold on. That one should have said I assist my mom cleaning the house or in cleaning the house. They missed a word there. Okay, so this sentence is I yell loudly, and we need to find a synonym for yell. Our choices are
Shout, laugh, cry.
okay.
Shout. I shout loudly. Fantastic. The child goes to school. Girl, kid, boy.
Okay, so which synonym for child? When we don't know if it's a boy or girl, it's child or
Kid.
kid.
The kid goes to school. Wonderful. I help my mom clean her home.
Okay, now this time, home is what we're finding the synonym for.
Office, house, room,
I help my mom clean our
house. I help my mom clean our house. Fabulous. We glue our artwork.
Okay, what means the same as glue? Is it
Paste, cut, draw.
okay? You might think, well, we can cut our artwork, we can draw our artwork. Yeah, but do those words mean the same as glue? No, they do not. So we need
Paste.
paste.
We paste our artwork.
Mhm.
Great job. I choose white socks. Have, pick, buy,
Okay, if you choose them, you
pick.
pick them.
I pick white socks. Fantastic. I hope my friend has a happy birthday.
Okay, the synonym for hope.
Wish, want, think.
Okay, yeah, if you hope for something, you
Wish.
it
I
come
wish
true.
my friend has a happy birthday. Fantastic. I help my mom make a pizza.
Okay, we need the something that means the same as make. What was that?
Bake, eat, create.
Okay. Yep, you're gonna bake that pizza, but right now they are busy.
Create. I help my mom create a pizza.
You create it,
Wonderful.
you make it.
I enjoy nice food. Happy, hate, like.
Okay, if you enjoy something, you
Like.
it.
I like nice food.
Me too.
Fabulous. My dog is my best friend. Pal, brother, enemy.
Okay. Friend is your
Pal.
pal.
My dog is my best pal. Fabulous. I ride my bike on the street.
Okay.
Road, park, school.
Which one means the same as street?
Road. I ride my bike on the road.
Mhm.
You got it. The lid is on the jar.
Okay, something that means the same as lid.
Close, cap, open.
Okay, I'm going to say cap.
Cap. The cap is on the jar.
Sounds kind of funny about
Wonderful.
a jar. But
The little mouse is happy.
is that where we started? Let's see. I'm just going to do it. Let's see, either
Large, small, big,
little means
small. The small mouse is happy.
Mhm.
Awesome. I am happy that my mom is home.
Okay, I think that we right back to the beginning. Let me just do one to make sure.
Glad. I am glad that my mom is
I'm
home.
just going to see
Fantastic.
one more.
We made a big cake for Andy.
Yeah, we did. We have done those. So we made it through all of them. I realized I kind of zipped through fast. So if you do this again, and I should have mentioned this at the first, that as you go through, if I'm going too fast, you can always pause the video so you have more time to think. And I hope you learned some more synonyms. And this lady was sure using them for us. We were fantastic. We were fabulous. We did a great job. Way to go. All righty. I'm going to stop the share and let you go. Bye-bye. See ya. Adios. Those are synonyms.